In the name of God. Hi my friends, I'm Dr. Lerner. In this tutorial I want to design you a Rivet in Catia software. I downloaded this catalog from internet, but some dimensions are missing, so I downloaded the 660 catalog. It contains all dimensions we need to design. I select normal size D1, the value 1, Rivet to start designing. Let's go to start designing. The first section is this section, that it is a circle that we should cut it with a line. The circle's radius is R1. The R1 value is 1 millimeter. Start Catia software, refer to start, mechanical design, part design. Select a name. In design tree, select YZ plane. Choose sketch. Draw a circle. Apply constraint. Use fit all in to enlarge the shape. Move the sketch. Draw a line. Apply constraint. The line's length is D2. D2 is 1.8. So its color it changes to red. That means it's fully constrained. Delete some constraints. We fix the problem, and again use quick trim to cutting the circle, and now apply the constraint. We need to cut this shape. Use the line again. Draw a vertical line and use quick trim to trim the shape. Exit workbench. Use shaft. Select here, select axis, this axis. Click OK. Now we have the first section. The second section is a cylinder. Its diameter is D3. The value of D3 is 0.93. Select this plane, go to sketch, draw a circle, apply the constraint, exit workbench, apply the length is L, and its value is We select normal size 3 for L. Use pad to apply the length into normal size. Now we have a rivet that designed in Catia software. I want to save it. Select file, save as. Select a direction for saving the file and finished. I will learn you to design a standard ring in next video. I upload a video in every 1 or 2 days. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe me. Thank you for your watching.